And it was Nirbhaya's brutal gang rape that galvanized the nation into protest demanding stricter laws for sexual assault. 45 days since that incident, action has been taken. The government has given its nod on an ordinance on sexual assault, which provides tougher punishment for rape and for gang rape. But with the government only partially accepting recommendations of Justice Verma Committee, a fresh debate has erupted about whether the proposed legislation has enough teeth to ensure safety for women.
The demand was made clear in no uncertain terms. Stricter laws for sex offenders. And Justice Verma given the mandate to rethink the existing legislation. The cabinet giving its nod to the ordinance. Laws against sexual harassment made tougher, providing for death penalty in extreme cases and a minimum sentence of 20 years for gang rape.
हमने तकरीबन सारी मान लिए हैं. स्टॉकिंग हमने ऐड कर लिया, एसिड अटैक ऐड कर लिया, रेप विक्टिम्स का किस तरह से स्ट्रिंजेंट पनिशमेंट है.
It's a tougher law than before.
So I'm glad the sexual assault is being expanded because it's a developing field of law. I think this is a welcome step.
But the government has been accused by many of cherry-picking from the Justice Verma Committee recommendations.
It is undemocratic, in fact, to bring an ordinance like this. And the content of the ordinance is doing injustice to the Justice Verma recommendations.
Better part would have been that all these things in much detail should have been debated in the Parliament, and Parliament would have amended the laws. A special session of Parliament had been demanded by my party.
Women's activists too, questioning the government, not willing to accept a diluted version.
No, I'm not saying this is left for improvement. I think this is an absolute mockery of what. This is basically their old criminal law amendment bill to which all the women's movement groups have been opposing. So right from day one. So this is just the same bill with a few extra, window dressing.
Ordinance is a complete betrayal of the faith that people had put in the government, that they will carry forward the demand from the street, the demand from women's movement, and what was reflected in the Verma committee report.
With two distinct viewpoints on the table, Times Now asks, does the cabinet ordinance on sexual offences adequately address the pitfalls in existing rape laws? Bureau Report, Times Now.